go find what the new Tundras are going for these days. Now, here I'm at a Toyota dealership, get my 2021 Highlander looked after, and let's check it out. Oh God. Oh. So this is a 2024 Highlander, excuse me, Tundra, with the V6. No thank you. I don't like the way, I like my Tundra, my 09. I like the way it looks. I do not like the way this looks. Oh, good. Automatic tailgate, another thing that can go wrong. Oh, you gotta put it back. Okay. See, I hate these huge doors for the second, because let's ask yourself, you get a 5-foot bed. A 5-foot bed. What are you gonna do with a 5-foot bed? You can do shit. Anywho, the Toyota Tacoma. One I would like to have. Let's see what ungodly price this thing has. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, at least it's not as expensive as the 2023 Toyota Crown for $55,000. At least it's something somewhat practical. It's got the same engine as my Toyota Tundra. 6-speed automatic, unfortunately. God. Oh, a 4Runner. I like 4Runners. Can't imagine how much this thing would cost. Let's see. $46,000. Alrighty. Moving right along. Look at these Tundras. There's no life to these things. They look like a freaking Ford with a big ass front end. And oh, why Toyota? Why? Why? All right, this gray color is nice. $61,000. What the hell is these Dodge shipping crates doing here? Ugh, get them out of here. All right, here's a white one. $57,000. See what's inside. What do you think? Can't see it. Oh my God. What the f... And there's a lot of these trucks on here, on the lot right now. A lot. Oh, look over there. My year and generation Tundra looks like, kind of, sort of, maybe. I don't know. God. My 09 Tundra's paid off. Closing in on 200,000 miles. You think I want to get into a $600, $700 a month payment for a new one with 2 less cylinders? Yeah, but you get a turbo. Who gives a crap? Oh my God. Oh, Land Cruiser. Look at that. Not as cool as an FJ40, but, you know. Man, there's a lot of cars on here. And what's funny is I see people... the heck? I see more people getting their cars serviced just for regular maintenance and warranty required items than I do people that actually coming out here to look to purchase one of these things. Now let's go look at this shipping crate over here. It's a Ram 1500. Looks like it's used. It's a 1500 Classic with the Hemster in it. It's a 2019 for $30,000. Let me take a look inside. $30,000 for a car that's going on 5 years old. Ah, look what we got here. Silverado 1500 LTD High Country, $53,000, obviously used. Oh my God. Oh, here we go. Wait a minute. This is a looks like this is the longer Tundra. Wait, no, this is a 5-foot bed. This is the V8 2020, $44,000. Now, it's high priced, don't get me wrong. But I'd rather have a Tundra with the V8, the 5.7, than a Tundra with a turbo on it with -2 cylinders. What ridiculous. Oh, look at this. Toyota Tacoma 2019. Let's take a stab at this one. I like the color. Some shenanigans there. Let's see. And the price is I don't know. Oh, look. You know this is a bad sign. Please see a sales associate or visit us on the web for current internet price. And there you go. Jeez. All right, look at this monstrosity. This Chevy LTZ with these ridiculous tires on it. $43,000 for a 4-year-old Chevy. Don't look like in bad condition, but nah, I don't think so. I could go on and on, but you get the point. Holy smokes. I always see these videos on YouTube about people going to car dealerships, look at the prices and comparing them. I'm stunned, actually. Just the amount of money that they want for a used car. It's insane. Look at this. This is a 1500 Ram. $34,000. 81,000 miles. Wow. No thanks. Jesus Christ. I mean, I've seen it. I'm sure at some time, at one point in the near future, someone's going to buy this. But look at that. Yeah, you could probably get that off, but there's. I'm just, you know, nitpicking here, but there's a dent right there. There's a scratch right there. The bed's been used. There's 40 gallons of water in the back. I mean, I don't know what that is. It's a scuff. You know, I'm just looking at normal things. You know, there's a lot of, you know, yeah, you can nitpick anything and try to lower the price in some way, but sometimes they're saying, I think this one was as is. Yeah, as is, no dealer warranty. Ugh. And this one is a 2023 Barcelona Red. I like the color. $42,000. I don't know, folks. I think I'm going to keep my cars. I'm gonna drive my '09 Tundra right into the ground. I mean, I won't. I'm gonna take care of it, but I'm not gonna. Why would I saddle myself with a huge freaking payment, even if I could afford it, which I can, but I don't want to. I'd rather buy booze and Busch Light with my fucking money. Why? I wouldn't.